All right, so this question I think is pretty straightforward actually if you read it carefully. So for question 10 here, it says two blocks are connected to opposite ends of a spring. So we've got these two blocks and there's a spring between them and they slide together on a frictionless surface with velocity v to the right. And then the spring is released by remote control. So here, I think that we're meant to understand that the spring kind of just falls off of them. So after this happens, it says the left block is moving at a speed of, so let's draw it again sometime later. So this is now moving at a speed of v over 2. The spring is just like uncompressed, lying somewhere. And we've got this other block that's out there somewhere, moving to the right. Well, it asks, what is the speed of the center of mass of the system? Well, the spring exerted equal force on each of those blocks when it shot them apart, which means that it's an internal force within that two-block system. Right? It doesn't matter whether or not we include the spring in the system because it exerts equal forces in opposite directions on each of those blocks. So we can think of it as an internal force. So the center of mass, the velocity of the system shouldn't change. So the center of mass velocity should still just be v because there was no external source on this system, or there was no external force on this system.